Check this out. We're gonna replace the front brakes on this Mazda CX5. If you have to do rear brakes, remember you have to turn off the electronic parking brake. For the fronts, you don't have to do that. I do have a video for that, so check that one out if you're doing rear brakes. Real quick, these are all the tools that I ended up using to do this brake job. 1/2" impact driver, adapter for the impact driver to go to 3/8 ratchet. I didn't use a breaker bar, but you could also use a breaker bar. Hangers for the brake calipers. Sockets, specific sizes. You need a 14, a 17, and a 21. Also a swivel socket, 3/8 torque wrench, 1/2" torque wrench, a large hammer, a pocket screwdriver, magnet tray, and these are somewhat optional based on your location. Anti-seize, silicone paste, and then also brake disc quiet. Obviously you're going to need a jack and jacks. I will put affiliate links in the description if you don't have any of these tools. That's going to help out this channel, and it's not going to cost anything extra for you. sure you pump the brake pedal nice and slow. Check the brake fluid under the hood and adjust accordingly. All right, that was quick and easy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out some of the other videos. I do have merchandise on my channel now, so if you want, you can check the link in the description. Also on the main page, go to the store. And that's gonna bring you to the Andy the X Tech merch. That's gonna help support this channel. Thanks.